Today I just thought we'd do a video about cleaning corrosion on battery terminals. This is a gun me and my son bought at Goodwill. So we bought it as is. He was happy about the find. But one thing wasn't so happy about is the typical corrosion from batteries left in, even non-matching batteries. So see, the corrosion is pretty bad on them. So we'll see if we can clean it up and get the gun working. All right, so first of all, we're going to take the batteries out. There's actually 3 of them. Third one was hiding. So now we can see in there a little better how bad the corrosion is. First thing I'm going to do is bring over some white vinegar. I typically use white vinegar to clean contacts. If it's acidic like lead acid battery, it needs to be like baking soda. But if it's going to be alkaline batteries, then we need to use something like vinegar that's more acidic. And we'll just put it on here and let it sit. So I'm actually going to pour some in a cap. And just keep going all over the actual contact points. We'll let that set a little while and we'll come back and we'll do it again. It's been about 5 minutes. We'll go through and do it again. We'll coat all the contact points with vinegar again. Scrub them a little bit with a Q-tip. See, it's already making a big difference. It looks a lot better, but on this plate here needs some more work, and down in there the spring needs some more work, but it's actually looking a lot better. It's looking a lot better, isn't it, Eli? Yep. We'll let it sit. We'll come back and we'll brush it a little bit. All right, back now. I am scrubbing just a little bit more, getting a little more vinegar in the hard to reach places. We'll get a toothpick now and hit these spots. It's hard to get to with the Q-tip even. I'm also going to bring over just a toothbrush, just any kind of brush. Start working these metal contacts really good. Wipe it off and clean up all the excess. Alright, back now with the batteries. That's what the contacts look after air drying just a short while. The contacts do look a lot better. Got the shine back. It does come on. It might be up to my son to do a demo and make sure it works. Well, at least we got the battery terminals cleaned up. We'll give it a try. One thing I did fail to capture when cleaning that gun up, anytime you clean any terminals, if you're using something that's acidic, on just a battery, on just the terminals itself on a battery box, it's not that big of a deal. But whenever it's something actually like a remote control or another electronic device, you want to be real sure you don't get the vinegar just everywhere and let it flow into the board. It's just kind of bad on components, the actual IC components and their actual pins. So we'll try to stay on the contacts that we clean it as much as we can. And also, it's always better after the fact to get some high percentage, just isopropyl alcohol, and just clean over the contacts after they dry, and clean after you actually have cleaned them and you have them dry. Just go through with alcohol, rubbing alcohol. If you don't have that, any kind of like alcohol prep pad or anything will work. It'll just, it'll help that vinegar from actually corroding. Also, it's always better to end up being more neutral and actually have them clean as you can before you actually put your fresh batteries back in your device. Outside with Eli now doing a test on the gun. We have cleaned the contacts, got fresh batteries in. See if it'll work, Eli. Oh, cool. Oh, that's neat. So that was a good find at Goodwill, huh?
Yep.
Awesome, it pops off. So you satisfied with that fix, huh?
Yep.
How much was it?
It was $2.52.
Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Go, Eli.